Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you my 3 favorite viral claw clip hairstyles. Now, many of you have told me you feel like your hair is too thin to pull off these hairstyles, and that's exactly why I partnered with Luxy Hair for this video. Today I'm using their thinning hair fill-ins in the shade Dimensional Beige Blonde. This set, it's perfect for beginners. It's a 6-piece set that's so easy to use. You just line up the ends with your hair, section it off, and add the 2 clips on each side, and then finish with a single clip wefts in the back. It's that easy. I love the natural volume they add and how they fill in all the breakage around my face. Don't forget, use code Alex Gaboury. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. First is an elegant twisted claw clip hairstyle that's not only beautiful but incredibly secure. To begin, tightly secure your hair into a ponytail just above ear height, and on your last loop, pull your hair only partially through to create a large bun, leaving some ends hanging out. Now, twist the bun once counterclockwise and bring it to the top of your head. Hold it there, and with your left hand, bring your ends up the left side, tucking them underneath to help cover your elastic. Now, place your claw clip over the middle to secure it, and I love that this clip can hold all that hair in place. And just like that, you've got a chic and secure claw clip hairstyle. Next, we have a French twist claw clip updo, and trust me, it looks way too beautiful to be this simple. Start by gathering your hair into a low ponytail and tightly hold the base with your left hand. Now, with your right hand, twist the ponytail counterclockwise twice. You'll feel the base tighten as you bring the twist to the top of your head. Next, take your left hand and slide the hair at the bottom of your twist upwards, tucking the twist under itself until it feels tight and secure. With your left hand, pinch the base of your ends and loosely wrap them counterclockwise to form a bun shape, tucking your ends under the twist, and secure everything with a claw clip and a few bobby pins if you need it. This style is a favorite. It's perfect for any occasion, and best of all, quick to recreate. And finally, we're throwing it back to the 90s with this claw clip messy updo. To begin, tightly secure your hair into a ponytail just above ear height. Next, slide your ponytail down an inch or two and create a hole above your elastic using your index finger and thumbs. Then push your ponytail up, pulling it partially through to create a bun. Just pull on the sides to fan it out. Now, place your claw clip over the hair elastic and rest your arms for a moment. Now, divide the remaining ends in half, left and right, and bring the right section up, opening the right side of your clip, and guide your ends underneath and let them peek at the top, repeating the same on the left side. This style is effortless. You can really see the dimension that the extensions add, and best of all, it will last all day long. I'd love if you left a comment and let me know which hairstyle was your favorite. Give this video a like, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.